So hi guys, this is day 16 practicing and speaking English to be more fluent and confident. So I have been gone through a step that if I really want to make the sentences or frame the sentences and I want to speak the English more fluently and confidently, then every day I must read some stories, I must hear some podcast, and I must learn some vocabulary, and I must use them in my video or in my daily conversation. So the story that I have read today is related to crocodile and the monkey. The story you have already been read in your childhood or whenever you were teaching your brotherhood or the someone who is very older to you, so you have gone through this story. So in this video I will try to narrate that story in my own words, and if I am able to do so and I can what to say I can add the sentences and make a story, so it will be a kind of a step, a kind of success for me to be more fluent and confident. So let's start the story. So there was a tree on which a monkey lived happily. The tree was near a river. So and the tree was full of sweet fruits, and the monkey lived a carefree life over there. One day there came a crocodile, and the monkey saw him, and monkey started, and the monkey was friendly. The monkey was more friendly and began to strike up a conversation, or started talking with the crocodile. So monkey found crocodile found it interesting, and he also started talking with the monkey. Soon they became a good friend. The monkey started offering him the sweet jamun fruits that were on the tree, and the fruits were very delicious. So the crocodile started looking forward to visiting the monkey every day. Now they have been a good friend. Every day, whenever the crocodile comes there, the monkey offered him food. So one day the monkey gave some fruits to the crocodile, and crocodile took the fruits to his wife, and his wife eat the jamun, and she said, if the fruits are sweet, then the monkey's heart must be even sweeter. And she said the crocodile that she want monkey's heart. This this felt the crocodile troubled. This felt the crocodile troubled. So now crocodile was in the what to say now crocodile was in trouble. But to complete his what to say wish, he accepted to carry out the monkey's heart. uh, then he went to monkey and offered him to his home, offered him to come his home, and he offered that he will took him on his home by what to say on his back, and he will help him to cross the river on his back. The monkey happily agreed his condition and started to and yes, and accepted to come with him. Soon the crocodile reached in the middle, or arrived in the middle of the river. He accidentally split or revealed the secret that he was having in his mind. Or we can say that he let the cat back. He let the cat out from his bag, means reveal the secret. Now monkey monkey remained calm and started thinking very wisely. So he said, "Oh my friend, I have left my heart on the tree. You should tell me earlier, so I could help you to do so." The crocodile the crocodile thought that monkey is saying truth. So he believed in his fact, and said that, okay, let's go to the jamun tree. When they reached to the near of the bank, near riverside. When they reached to the riverside, the monkey climbed up on the tree and said, You try to cheat me, I will never trust on you. Now the crocodile got to know that the monkey has outsmarted him. Outsmarted him means someone who is more intelligent than us. Like when today I was talking with my friend, and my pen was about to end, and I asked him, have you ever been ended any pen in your life? So he said, and his answer was outsmarted, and he said, no, I have not ever ended any pen in my life, but I have ended the ink of the pen. So I was sudden surprised by his answer, and I said that, wow bro, you outsmarted me. So in this way we can use the outsmarted. And then monkey climbed up on the tree. Now the crocodile was aware of his mistake, and he has known that he has been outsmarted by the monkey. So crocodile was regretting on his what to say crocodile was regretting on his I so I forgot the means crocodile को अपनी सोच पे पछतावा हो रहा था. Crocodile was regretting on his thoughts or the act that he has done to the monkey. So this was the story. Sometimes our intelligence can save us. The moral of this story was this. And guys, I have learned so many words, and when I was reading the whole story, I found that they were using a past indefinite tense a lot in this sentence formation. So reading these short stories and narrating them in our own word, I sometimes feels that one day I'll be able to narrate them completely. Then I will be able to combine the sentences, and also I will learn the whole concept behind them, how the sentences are framed and added to each other. And then I think it will help me to be more fluent and confident. So that's all for this video today. We'll meet again tomorrow in a new video. And yes, I will say you do use of outsmarted in your life, because this word was very what to say, very surprising for me, and I was obsessed with this, speaking it in my everyday life. Whenever I found someone that he is playing with, he is playing good, or he is doing great, so I always try to speak him that you are outsmarted to me. Yeah, you are outsmarted me means you are doing better than me, or you are intelligence, you are showing your intelligence at this place more than me. So I always appreciate them. And that was all for this video. So let's call it a day. We'll meet again tomorrow with a new video. For till that time, bye bye and have a great day.